Hello friends, in this session we are going to interface virtual GPS and 16 by 2 LCD with Arduino Uno. Here Arduino Uno will read information which is coming from GPS. Information I mean latitude and longitude, and same information will be sent to the 16 by 2 LCD. Here a very good feature is given by this Proteus. A small window will appear, and in that window we can have the map of this latitude and longitude. We can zoom this location and you can observe the location closely. To have this map onto the screen, we have to make sure that our computer system must be connected to the internet before opening the Proteus. So first of all I will create a folder on desktop, and then I will start with the Proteus followed by that Arduino. So first of all I will create a folder on desktop. Name of the folder is the GPS Arduino, and I will save both the files, that is a Proteus file and Arduino file, in same folder. So first of all I will open Proteus. So go to the new project. Here choose path of our folder. In our case it is on desktop. Select this folder and give name to this Proteus project. So Proteus circuit is my name. So go to the next, then click on next, click on next, click on next, and then finish. Now I have already installed Arduino library. So now I will type Arduino and I will choose Arduino Uno. This is my first component. Then I will choose a virtual GPS. So type VGPS and click OK. Then I will choose LCD 16 by 2. So type LCD and that I will choose LM016L and I will put here. Now I have to do interconnections. So first RX and TX of GPS and Arduino Uno must be short circuited. So this is the interfacing diagram, and there is a by default latitude and longitude in GPS. I have to modify, so right click and click on edit property, and I will copy latitude and longitude from my location, which I have already stored in notepad file. So I will copy it and I will paste it here. So this is the circuit diagram. Now I will write Arduino program. Now I will open Arduino. Then this is my Arduino. Now first of all I have to install Arduino. I have to install GPS library, so I will search tiny GPS library for Arduino. So once I type in Google, then it will show where is the library available. So here library is available. There is a latest version, that is 13.0.0. You can download it. I am downloading in the same folder so that there will not be confusion for me. And now I have to go to the sketch, then include library, and then add zip library. Here I have to choose my path, so it is on desktop, then GPS underscore Arduino, and here is my file, which is a zip file. So I have to just click on open. Already I have installed this library, so I will not open it, and I will just put cancel, but you have to click on open. Once it is done, then you have to close this, and once again you have to open the Arduino. So once you reopen Arduino IDE, then go to the example, and in the example you will find there is a one more tab which is of TinyGPS. So in that again there are three files. So open first one, which is a very simple to understand. Here is my file. So this file I am going to modify, but before that I will save this in our folder. So I will keep same name, and now I have to modify the code. First of all, I will remove all the comments so there will not be confusion for me. Oh yes, so I have removed all the comments. Now I am going to modify the code. Here my assumption is that our GPS is a interface at 0 and first number line of Arduino Uno. So we are not interfacing at pin number 3rd and 4th. That's why we are not going to use this library, which is the software serial, and that's why we are not going to use this function as well. So I have removed this library as well as function. We are just going to use serial library or serial communication of Arduino Uno and GPS. So I have removed this library. And another thing is that we are going to use LCD, and once I am having LCD I have to include library of the LCD. So I will include the library. So this is the library for liquid crystal, and then I have to show the connection as well. I have to mention how I have interface LCD with Arduino, so that connections I have to mention. So I will write lines. So I have to modify the numbers. So I have to once again check how I have interfaced it. So let's say pin number 8 to pin number 3rd one. So according to that I will show the pin numbers 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So in this way connections are done. After that, my assumption is that GPS is connected at pin number 0 and 1. That's why we are not using software serial library, and by default speed of GPS is a 9600. So I have written 9600, and SS library I have removed. Then I will initialize LCD. So I will write LCD dot begin 16/2. So this is sufficient for setup. Now I have to remove all these lines. Then in the loop, as I told you, we are not going to use software serial library. We are just using serial communication of Arduino Uno, which is available at pin number 0 and pin number 1. So again I have to modify this number also. Sorry, not number, it is a character, serial. So this thing is sufficient for this portion of our code. Now I will come down, and here I will remove all these lines, and I will just type LCD dot clear to clear LCD. Then I will type LCD dot print, and in the very first line I will write latitude, and then I will print what is the value of latitude. This is stored in this FLAT variable. So I have to copy this and I have to paste, and after that I will mention 5, means after that 5 digits will be mentioned on the LCD. So then I will choose next line for printing purpose. So I will say 0, 1. So next line will be selected, and I will copy both the lines, just few modifications I have to do. Longitude, and I have to copy this variable FLON, and I have to paste it here. So this thing is sufficient. Now if I go down, then again these things are not needed for me, so I will remove all these things because I want to just display onto the LCD. So I will save, so Control S and save it, and go to the verify it. It will show if there is any error, but I think there is no error. Yes. So now you click on sketch and click on export compiled binary. So hex file will be created in that folder. So now you have to open Proteus, and if you open our folder, then you will find that there is a simple test. This is the name of our Arduino project. This is the project, and this Arduino project has created a hex file. You can find it here. There is a hex file. So I have to give path of this hex file, so you have to just double click on it, and you have to select program file. You select this folder and choose this hex file, that is the first one, and say OK. Once it is done, then you have to run the simulation. Initially what will happen, GPS will take some time to initialize. There is something wrong. Yes, it is showing. So now latitude value is a 16.72065 and longitude is a 73.34911. So now what I will do here, I will insert one delay, so after certain time it will update value. So once again I will click on sketch and export compiled binary, and then once it is done, I will once again run this simulation. And once I run the simulation, you will find one thing. On this small screen, that is a virtual GPS screen, it is showing the location. You can zoom it. So in this way we can check where exactly we are. So thanks for watching this video.
That's it from my side.